This is a vacuum chamber of the Spectrometer TATRA, which was developed and constructed at the Institute of Physics of Slovak Academy of Sciences in Bratislava. This is used for a Slovak experiment, a first Slovak experiment in the CERN, and directly on the isolated experiments due to the experiment 521. This experiment is focused on the study of the neutron deficient isotopes of the gold, which are produced by a beta decays of the mercurium isotopes. The heart of the TATRA spectrometer is its vacuum chamber, and inside the chamber is a tape unit which circulates the metallic tape in the infinite loop. How it works, this tape unit? The beams, the radioactive mercury beams, are deponed on the tape in this part, and then they are just transferred by the tape unit into the measurement position. In the measurement position there is a windowless silicon detectors measuring the low energy gamma rays and also the conversion electrons due to the decays of the gold. Also, outside of the vacuum system there is an array of the germanium detectors, just the classical high purity germanium detectors, and also broad energy or BG detectors. These detectors provide us a very good energy resolution and also very precise measurements of the decays. These decays are measured for the gold 181 and 183. Because of the high vacuum in the chamber, there is possibility to use this detector in the windowless mode. Approximate value of the vacuum is 10 to minus 8 millibars, which it is really high vacuum. The analysis of the data from the previous experiments allows us to see the electric monopole transitions in the gold 183. These transitions are a fingerprint of the shape coexistence in this isotope. The shape coexistence is a phenomena when the nuclei acquires the different shapes for the really similar or very comparative energy. This phenomenon is expected to be global for the whole groups of the isotopes, but nowadays we need more of the experimental data. The focus of our group is to study the gold isotopes. So we provided a very huge spectroscopic studies, and also we will do more experiments to do more precise measurements and more to acquire more statistics for these isotopes. We had measured 181, 183, and the plan for this vacuum chamber will be also the measuring 185 golds in the following weeks and months.